Hello, and welcome to the analysis of US30. This is FX Bulls underscore KE. So let's begin with outlining the zones of demand and supply. These are daily charts. Um, so I'll identify these zones very quickly. These are daily, so that we can move really quickly. So as you can see, the market has reacted from this area of demand on this daily chart some few days back. You can see the market had dropped, tested it like twice. Just a minute. Yes, the market dropped, then tested it like twice, then went high, then dropped, then was not able to reach the previous demand area. Then let me yes, then it retraced, then it's now reacting from this fresh area of supply. So first of all, knowing that fact, we can now put in our area of supply so that we can have our playground intact and we know where we are focusing on. So you can see our area is clearly drawn, clearly outlined. And another thing, I'll draw in the area which the market is reacting right now. Yes, very nice. All right. So the market reacted from this point after the NFP on Friday. I'll move quickly to 4 hours so that we can see what the market has for us, because daily has already shown us whatever the market has been doing for some time. So this is 4 hours. What we do is now outline what the 4 hours is doing and see where we are as the next possible move for US 30 next week. So using a trend line, allow line this zone of interest. The market has repeating as it climbs towards area of supply to retest, and you can clearly see that the market has been reacting from this area quite well, even after the NFP news that came out, the job numbers that came out on Friday. So this is what I have. So whatever I'm looking for in this market, because since the market has already given us a retest of this area and even went ahead to create a supply candlestick, went ahead to create an engulfing bearish candlestick, whatever I'm looking for is a small pullback towards that area of interest, then a breakdown, then a continuation to the downside to test this previous area of demand. So let me move to 1 hour so that we can quickly see from the lower time frame whatever we have in this market and whatever we can get as our entry on this fine US30 market. So looking at 1 hour, you can see that the market has beautifully formed a very nice uptrend channel towards the reaction of that area of fresh supply, which is no longer fresh because that has already been tested. And whatever the market is doing right now is just reacting from that point of interest. And you can see that on Friday, after that touch, the market collapsed a little bit, touching this area of interest, the trend line that the market has been respecting. So once I see a breakdown after a little pullback, then I can be able to take my entries around that zone. So I'll quickly draw in whatever I'm going to do so that we don't waste time. Time is money, so we have to really go very fast. So this is whatever I'm looking for. Whatever I'm looking for is a little pullback towards this area. If you look at the 15 minutes, you realize that whatever I'm keying in is an area of interest in this market. So let's just do it really quickly so that we can move to the next pair of interest. All right, so I'll move my stop loss a little bit on top of the demand, this supply area, so that I can let the market breathe. Once the market has breathed and is ready to move towards the downside, then I'll allow myself to get in this market and see whatever the market has for us for the coming week. So a little bit of a pullback, then a breakdown, then probably towards the area of demand. So guys, that is whatever I had on this US30 index. Let's meet on the market. Ciao.